What if the grandeur of a bygone era could travel with you? Forget sleek and modern. Today, we're stepping into a true marvel. Welcome to Ready for Future Ride, a magnificent Victorian mansion on wheels. Prepare to be enchanted as we tour a motorhome unlike anything you've ever seen.
Our journey begins in a kitchen that combines nostalgic charm with surprising practicality. Imagine preparing a hearty meal on these rich, dark wood counters, using a vintage-inspired stove. With elegant brass fixtures and a cozy dining nook tucked into a bay window, every meal here feels like a step back in time, yet perfectly convenient for the open road. Bedroom view. After a day of exploration, retire to this exquisite master bedroom. A grand four-poster bed adorned with luxurious fabrics invites you to unwind. The warmth of the fireplace and the view from this elegant sash window, looking out onto a tranquil forest, create a serene retreat. It's more than a bedroom, it's a personal sanctuary on wheels. Washroom view. Even the washroom exudes old-world elegance. Step into this charming space featuring a classic clawfoot bathtub and pedestal sink with gleaming brass taps. With its patterned wallpaper and warm, ambient lighting, it's a delightful blend of antique charm and functional comfort, ensuring every moment of your journey is pampered. Dining room view. Gather for a truly unforgettable dining experience in this stately room. A long, polished mahogany table set with fine china awaits. Framed by expansive bay windows, your meals will be accompanied by ever-changing picturesque landscapes. And just look at that grand crystal chandelier. It illuminates every gathering with a timeless glow. Cinema room view, cozy parlor style. For your evening's entertainment, settle into this opulent parlor-style cinema. Sink into plush velvet settees as a discreetly hidden screen descends for your viewing pleasure. Richly decorated with period wallpaper and dark wood, this room offers an intimate and immersive cinematic escape, proving that even grand adventures can end with cozy comforts. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a time machine, a story, a dream brought to life, a true fortune's folly, offering a glimpse into a world where elegant living knows no bounds. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary tour of luxury, history, and adventure on wheels. Where will this mansion take us next?